Hello, let's take a look how do we write in cursive two Russian letters H and Ch. So you know already her, it's X in English, no? So it will be not so very difficult for you to write, but still let's practice. We start with letter H, and you remember as usual, so I always drive two horizontal lines, my header and baseline. So they will help us to keep all our letters in one row, between these two lines. It looks like better. And then I indicate my main slant angle. So those two lines will help us to keep all letters in angle. So we start with her, and how do we write it? Practically we write X. Now, but forget about X. Now you see Russian H, something like that. H. So very easy to write. I show you another option how I write sometimes her, but please then don't tell your Russian teacher something like that, because he or she will be very angry on me. I write it like just like X, when I'm really in a hurry, but forget about this. Let's concentrate on this form, how to write her. Practice a little bit and then go to the next slide. Let's see how do we use this her in a real Russian word. And the word I picked is hor. 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 Hor means square. So when many people think together, hor. So let us write very nice h. Then we connect it to our oval for o. Then we would have to use a connector, and we write r. We practice r in my lesson number 4, so you can watch it again if you want. Downstroke and a curve. Hor. Please pause my video and practice with this word. Keep in mind the last letter is letter r, Russian r. Hor. Okay, so write it many times. Okay, try to increase your speed, and when you finish with practicing, go back to my video and keep watching. So the last word I picked to practice was her, smech. Smech means laugh. Laugh as a concept, not as a verb. Smech. I would like to see how do we connect this her to the end of the word. So we start with s. This is our s. Then I connect my m to s. We practice with m in lesson number 2. Next is very tricky. I would like to keep this line. Practically, I have to create kind of loop for a. Look how I do it. I finish my a, and there now, I have to go up, because next move, without detaching my tip of my pen from the paper, I would like to write h, like that. Look how it looks all together. Believe me, when you practice, you will be able to write the entire word without detaching your pen from the paper. Yeah, in one move. Smech. Try to do it. So pause my video and practice with this word. Please read it many times aloud. Smech. Smech. Okay? When you finish, go back to my video. Last letter, or not last, but next letter is letter ch. How do I write ch? Imagine that you would like to write number 4, and you start with this move, you start with this hook. This is practically number 4, but next what you're going to do, you have to add this right-sided hook. You remember we use it many times in our classes, like that. And this is ch, letter ch. I know there is another way how to write ch, and your Russian teacher probably showed you another way. I prefer to write this way. Ch. Very easy to write. 2 moves. I practice with this, okay? And then let's see how can we incorporate it in a word. So I pick the word chai. This is obviously tea, né? Chai. So let us write the word chai. We start with ch. Then I connect my oval for R. I finish it with another hook. And then I connect E. And I have to create short E. So I put this dash, comma, dot, bow. Chai. Chai. Short Y at the end. Chai. Now pause my video and practice with this. Okay? Write it many times and say chai. T. Chai. So when you finish, go back to my video. We have a couple of words to practice more with. Next word, I picked the word luch. Now let's see how can we use ch at the end of our word. Luch means ray, like sun ray, for example, just ray. So we start with l. L is from my lesson number 2. You can watch it again if you want to practice with l, but it's very easy letter. It's just like that. But look, now I move onto the top. Why I move to the top with L using this right-sided hook? Because I want to connect my underturn for U, like that. And then you see I created the descending loop. And while I creating my descending loop, I have to think about my ch letter. So I do it like that, very top, till the header. Why? Because from this point, I would like to write my ch. And I finish with ch. Luch. Ray. Luch. Second letter is u. Keep in mind. So please practice with this word. Yeah. Write it many times. Repeat loudly luch. And always keep your letters between two horizontal lines, except the descending loop, and try to keep the angle. Okay. Practice. And when you finish, you may go to my next video. Bye bye.